Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make salad guso, only way. Rinse fresh guso thoroughly, soak briefly until tender, then drain well to keep good texture. Chop onions, tomatoes, and cucumbers into bite-sized pieces for contrast. Whisk a simple dressing with vinegar, soy sauce, sugar, and a dash of chili for heat. Toss everything gently so flavors meld, chill briefly, and serve fresh for best results. Gather your ingredients before you start to keep the process smooth and relaxed. Measure about 2 cups of prepared guso, 1 small onion, 1 tomato, and half a cucumber for a balanced salad. Prepare dressing with 2 tablespoons vinegar, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon sugar, and a pinch of chili flakes, then taste and adjust. Having everything ready makes assembly quick and consistent for great results. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support the channel and see more recipes. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, which I've found handy in the kitchen for timers and playlists. Check the description for the product link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. Handle the guso gently so it keeps a pleasant chew and doesn't become mushy. Place chopped vegetables in a bowl, then add the drained guso and toss lightly to combine. Pour the dressing in gradually while tasting to reach the right balance of salt, sweet, and tang. Adjust seasoning with a little more soy sauce or vinegar if needed, then chill briefly so the flavors settle before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.